Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to enable the speedometer feature in Google Maps. So let's dive right in. First, open up the Google Maps on your phone. And once you are on Google Maps, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. And once you are in the menu, you have to simply tap on Settings. This is where we will access all the options to customize your Google Maps experience. Scroll down until you find the navigation settings option. Once you find it, tap on it. This is where you will find the speedometer feature. And now you have to simply scroll down to the bottom. Under driving options, you will see a toggle for speedometer. Simply tap on it to enable the feature. Now, when you start navigating, you will notice the speedometer in the bottom left corner of your screen, showing your current speed while driving. You have successfully enabled the speedometer in Google Maps. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.